All right, so we're going to go ahead and solve number 8. Okay, we already decided GEMDAS order starts with groups, and our only group is right here. In our group, we have two operations, though. Remember, exponents come before multiplying or dividing. So we're going to do 4 cubed first, okay? 4 cubed is actually 3/4. So 4 times 4 times 4, okay? 4 times 4 is 16. All right, drop your last one. 16 times 4 is actually 64, okay? So 4 cubed is 64. We still have our group because we haven't finished yet. And I'm going to copy everything else down. Okay. Our next line, we still have our group, but now we just need to divide. All right. So we're doing 64 divided by 2, which would be 32. We just cut it in half, okay? And then we're going to drop everything else down. This is multiplication, so you can leave your parentheses or put a multiply sign. Okay, all right. Now our group is done. Our exponents are all done. Multiply or divide from left to right. Okay, remember third we said we were going to do 8.5 times our group, and that is the first multiplication or division that I come across. So we're going to do 8.5 times 32. Okay, remember when you multiply with decimals, you don't have to line them up. When you add or subtract, you do, but multiplying, you don't. So 2 times 5 is 10. 2 and 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17. Placeholder 0. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So altogether, we have, and then one decimal place, 272. Okay. Drop everything else, 14.3 plus, and then subtract 76. All right. We have no more multiplication or division. Now we are adding or subtracting from left to right. Okay, so fourth step would be adding that 14.3 plus 272. Okay, so 272 plus 14.3. Okay, remember when you add or subtract decimals, you do have to line it up because you have to add your ones to the ones place and your tens to the tens place. Since I don't have a tenths, I'm just going to fill that in with a 0. So that's still just going to be 3/10. But now I have 286 and 3/10. Okay, 286 and 3/10 minus 76. Okay, we're going to do 286 and 3/10 minus 76. Okay, and still I don't have a decimal, and we have to subtract ones from ones. So I'm going to add that decimal 0. 3 minus 0 is still 3. Drop down the decimal. 6 minus 6 is 0. 8 minus 7 is 1. 2 minus nothing is 2. Okay, so the answer to this problem would be 210 and 3/10.